Alright, so it has actually been a while, a few weeks actually, since I filmed the beginning of this collage, and I wanted to show you some of the things that I have since added to it. I put some butterflies in the sky. I put this guy over here. I put this coral wrapped around a fish in the water, and I put this, I don't know if it's a squid or an octopus climbing up to get the hamburger. I put a little seagull there, and I put some coral right over here, which actually looks kind of like creepy fingernails if you really think about it. But anyway, if I can find a little tiny person to put over here, I probably will. And like many collage artists say, you don't always have to be finished. You can just keep coming back and adding stuff. So I do definitely believe I want to add a person, a little person here, if I can find one. I also would like to add maybe a bird flying. I didn't have any birds flying that I could put up here, but I might want to do that. And so I tried to put this here to cover up that he has no legs. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and joining me as I make this collage, and I hope that you will come again and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. And until then, well, until forever, be safe, happy, and healthy. Bye-bye.